Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will show you and tell you how you can disable portrait mode in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching this video, and also forget to put your likes. So let's get started. And first of all, let me explain to you what portrait mode is. It is a special mode that is set to allow your camera to focus on your face when it takes a photo, whether it is selfies or a regular photo. In order to disable this mode in Snapchat, first open this app. On the right side, you will see such a row of signs. You'll need to click on the plus sign at the very bottom and scroll to the bottom. And in order to initially enable this portrait mode at all, in the focus section, you'll need to press the plus sign. So you'll turn on portrait mode. And in the same way, by pressing the plus sign, you scroll down to the bottom, you find the focus section. And then you press the cross next to it. This is how you turn off the portrait mode in the Snapchat app. Friends, I hope this video has helped you and you have seen how you can disable portrait mode in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.